Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxanne. I am a makeup artist, and in today's video we will be doing this half simple cut crease, which is green and wonderful. So getting out of the comfort zone with some shades. And if you want to know how I did this little look, then keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I have a video. Also, if you have any suggestions on makeup tutorials, don't forget to drop them down below. And if you have any comments about my makeup look or about anything at all, so I really love you. And let's get just a little bit closer for you to see all my face. So let's get into it right away. We are all up close, lovey-dovey. And we will start this little makeup tutorial with a simple cut crease. So I'm excited to show you how I do my cut creases. It's gonna be amazing. So I always start with primer. So I'm gonna start with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, which is the best, honestly, that I've found so far because I have dry skin, so. Yes, Miss Thing. Then while this is really going into your skin, I will be using the NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil to carve out my eyebrows. Now that my eyebrows are really kind of messy everywhere, I'm gonna be putting some concealer. And I've been using lately only, I'm sorry about my voice, oh my god. I've been using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I want to use my other one, which is MAC Cosmetics. I was searching for it, I'm so sorry. So the MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear. And then using that tiny concealer brush, I'm going to be carving out my eyebrows with it. Then after that, what we'll do is we'll add some concealer to our pimple just to add some more coverage to our foundation. So let's apply the concealer. Let's apply it with a sponge. It doesn't need to be perfect just because we will apply some foundation on top after that. So don't worry about that. It's just really to remove any kind of redness that you can see peeking through. And we'll jump right to the eyes. I know the eyebrows takes a long time, but it's completely normal because you want them to be perfect. Everybody's gonna see them like every single minute. So now to the eyes, I will be taking the P. Louise base and blending with another brush. We will take the Conspiracy palette and do a little cut crease. I feel like, oh no, I think I'll take the green areas of the palette just because I don't do looks with these that much. So let's get into this. So I will start with the transition shade, which will be My Pills. Let's start applying the shade. You know, you want to take your time with this eyeshadows because there's a lot of fallout, and if you don't want to have fallout, you really have to take your time. So you just tap off the excess and then you just apply, and you just build up the shades, just because if not, it's gonna be super patchy. Taking the shade What's the Tea, applying it right on top, and start to build up color all the way to the brow bone. Then I will be taking a little flat brush to really put the pigment precisely on my eye. And I will be taking the shade Illuminati. I put it in my crease. And then you take the little brush and you will go blend upwards the shade. I'm taking the next shade, which is gonna highlight. I'm gonna be taking the shade Ranch, which is this one right, which I'm gonna apply right here at the brow bone over the green shades that I already put. And then I'll blend those shades together. What we'll do is we'll take back Illuminati and add the shade here at the corner. Just gonna add definition to our eyes. Now that this is done, what we'll do is we'll cut the crease with the P. Louise base again, because it will grasp the pigment and I love it. Actually, I'm gonna do a battle of two primers soon, and you're gonna tell me which one is the best. I can't wait to see if the P. Louise base is worth the hype or the other primer is good. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can see it, but let's do the shape. All right. So now I'm taking my eyes closed because I don't want to mess up the cut crease that I did. Conspiracy and Wrench. Let's apply it to the lid before everything creases. And then we will take the little brush and we will blend those two together. And blend those colors together. Ooh. Just to make sure that it looks really pretty. And then if you need, you just add more color. Who is living for this green fantasy? Me, okay? Me. Even though green isn't the best shade for me, for my eyes, it still looks pretty. Now that my eyes are finished, it is time for foundation. Alright, so let's take the MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 because I plan on going out, okay? So if I plan on going out, it is important to have some sunscreen in it. And this one has it. What do you think so far of my half cut crease? Do you like it? Do you not like it? This will be extremely good for brown eyes. So if you have brown eyes and like olive skin, if you have too much redness too, it's gonna contrast. And if you have brown eyes, those will make your brown eyes pop. So be sure to have some green eyeshadow looks for you. And do not forget the neck because you're gonna have a huge line that's passing through and you're not gonna like it. Let's go foundation, just blend. Well, apply the concealer. So the same concealer that I used earlier is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid 24 Hour Smooth Concealer. You can drag it, you know, concealer, you just drag it and you don't really need that much. So sometimes there's a lot of beauty YouTubers that put a lot, but that's because of the beauty lights, and I'd rather put less than too much for you to see my true face. So then after that, it's important to set right away. So I'm gonna take the Studio Waterweight Press Powder from MAC, taking their puff. Today, I don't feel like contouring. I think I'm just gonna do bronzer, so it's gonna be amazing. So now that I set my entire face, I feel like I wanna use one of my old bronzers. And I wanna kind of mix and match both, just because I feel like this one's so amazing. So the butter bronzer, I'm using this. Hidden far away, hidden far away. The Morphe. And just adding some depth just because this powder is more pigmented than the other one. And it's like this one's more neutral and the other one is more warm. So adding both is just gonna make my skin look way better. Blush. All right, blush, blush. It's time for the blush. And I'm gonna take the Marcel blush. And we're just gonna place it right here. All right, so now that this is done, we can add some highlight, which is my favorite part. I love highlight. I feel like I still want to do Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. Oops. We'll apply to our cheeks. We're gonna add the shades that are gonna be under the eyes. So I'm gonna be dipping back into the Conspiracy palette. And I feel like we should be doing Illuminati again. And then we take the brush and we just blend everything together. Taking the shade Diet Cola. And then the eye look is pretty much done. We'll just need to put some mascara and then do the lips, do the lashes, and it's gonna be bomb. Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, which is gonna be on our lashes. Then I won't be doing any lip liner today. I will just take my Kat Von D Berlin shade. Puckers are done. And then let's apply the Lily Lashes in Miami. Then one more step, which is the setting spray. And then the makeup look is done. Let's fix this little makeup. Alright, so this makeup look is done. I am really happy with it. This half cut crease is just so cute. And even if it's green, still fits with me. So tell me what you think down in the comments down below. I'm really excited to do more makeup tutorials like these. And if ever you want to see a color in particular, just drop it down below because I want to know as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time or 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So to never miss a video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. So I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.